up here in windy Pennsylvania to do some trout fishing, and hopefully it goes well, but I don't know if you can hear how bad this wind is blowing. It's like 20 to 40 mile per hour gusts today, so we'll see how we do. Good luck to us. This is our forecast for fishing today. Hopefully it dies down before 1.
At least we got that.
Just missed him. He took my worm. Well, I wasn't recording, but I just caught this nice little brown here. We're gonna let him go. There's another one.
No way. Jason just got second fish of the day. 2 in a row here.
I don't know if it's just my drag is so loose or if this is a better fish. Oh, it's a better one. Get in there, buddy.
That's a good one.
That's a nice one. Okay. There's a nice brown. Recording this time. The second one of the day. Sweet. Let's get you unhooked. Come on, buddy. That's it. That's it. Oh, got him. Got him. All right, it's another brownie.
Jason's killing them today.
Okay, well here's a little brown I just caught. It's the third of the day. Let's get the release.
There we go, Jason. There we go. On. There we go. First fish of the day. Yeah. Nope. The other way. There we go. Pretty fish.
Nice job, man.
All right, on the board.
Oh yeah. The rainbow. Oh, this is a beautiful rainbow, dude. Look at the colors on this one.
I can see the colors from here.
I mean, the orange color on this rainbow, I've never seen one like it.
It sure is.
Check
Sure
the other
is a
side.
rainbow.
The other side is even prettier.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
It's orange.
There's some fish up against this bank, Jens. I'm telling you. Come on, trouty, trouties. There's one. I knew it. I knew it. Another brown. Come here, buddy. Woo. All right. Okay. There's a nice little brown there. This is my 5th trout of the day. We're gonna go ahead and let him go. There he goes. Nice job.
Little brown.
I knew there was a fish in that hole.
It was.
I knew it. There we go. Oh my goodness. Get in the net. Did you see that? All right. Nice colors on them. Hook's already out.
Oh, there we go. There we go. On the mouse tail.
On the tail?
On the mouse tail.
All right, Jens just hooked up. The brownie.
Oh, settle down, settle down.
It's the first fish we caught today on the bottom. Got him. Oh, I don't know. I think it's a chub. No, it's a trout, dude. It's a trout from all the way up here. Oh,
That's a little one.
oh, it's a little brownie from all the way up here, dude.
Try this jig.
I gotta go get him up in the net so I can get him down there again. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Hold on, buddy. There we go. Double up. Get him, Jens. Get your net. I'm coming, Jens. I'm coming, dude. I'm coming, dude. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh my God, I'm falling in. I got the net. I got the net.
Did you get that?
I don't know.
Oh my God, he's serious.
I can't, dude. I can't.
Grab my rod. Right there.
I got him.
Right down here.
He's huge, dude. He's huge. I got one in the net. We doubled up. Jens has got a huge brown on a jig, and he's climbing down to get him. Get him! Get him!
I'm hooked. I'm hooked. Oh no, I can't. Oh, I got him! Hey! Woo! Double up! Oh, he's huge!
What are you talking about?
Oh, it's huge!
Take your rod.
Oh,
I'm coming to you.
got a big brown here on the jig. Unbelievable. He ate this little jig with a little tiny rage bug on it. Here comes Jason.
Okay, so these are the 5 baits that worked for us today. Most of my fish came on this rooster tail. It was black, but all the paint's now chipped off. So it's just a silver blade. And I caught most of them on that. One came on this, which was at the end of the day, which was a small one. And Jens?
I caught, I caught a couple on the rooster tail also. PB brown on a jig with a baby rage tail, and also caught one on the mouse tail here, drifting on the bottom.
So we caught them on the moving baits and on the bottom, and surprisingly, a trout on a jig. Who would have thought it? So a great day of fishing. We appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for our next episode.